Hello everybody and welcome back. Before you start, let's hit that subscribe button below. It'll take you 1 second. Thank you for doing that. Okay, today we're going to basically write a little program that will shut Windows down or restart it. So first of all we have to import the OS library because we're dealing with the operating system here. So I'm going to create a menu first. So we're going to do 3 things. We're going to reboot the computer, we're going to shut it down, and we're going to offer the user a way to exit the program. First of all, we're going to print our options. So number 1 is going to be shutdown. Okay, so that's the first option for the user. Number 2 is going to be restart. So that's option 2 for the user, and number 3 is going to be quit. So that's option 3. So the user has got 3 options here. Whoops. Let's do that. Okay, let's put that down. So we're going to create some inputs here. So that's the input. So we're going to get the input from the user, what the user wants to do. Enter an option. So we've got option 1, 2 or 3 here. So if the entry is equal to, let's say 1, that's option 1, which is shutdown, then we're going to create a little shutdown function here. So we're going to create a little shutdown function where we send the command to the computer to shut down. So that's going to be shutdown. Okay, print shutting down shutting down there, and then here comes the magic, os.system. We have to send the command to Windows to shut down. So simply shut down shutdown S. That's the command there. Okay, so the next entry we're going to do is restart. So elif entry is equal to 2. There we're going to say restart. Create a restart function, so it'll send us down here, and this is going to be the restart function. Okay, so print restarting there. And then we're going to have to do the os.system and send the command, and the command is just going to simply be restart, and then a little flag R on there. Okay, so the last one that we're going to do, elif the entry is equal to 3. All we're going to do is quit the program, so I'm going to call it quit program, and we're going to go down here, create a function called quit program down here, so fine quit program. So that's going to be print by to the user, and then simply quit. Okay, right. Oh, one more thing here. We're going to do the capitals. Let's say else. So if the user types anything else in, they're going to get an error message. Invalid entry right here. Okay, so we're just going to save that. Okay, so I've already saved it to my Python file here, and I've called it restart.py. Now when we're doing this, especially, we have to run this from command line. I can't run this from inside idle because it won't work. And when you do this, even if you run it yourself on the computer, you'll have to wait a minute or two before the system actually shuts down. So what I'm going to do now, I'll just make sure that I've saved this. I'm going to run this program from the command line here. So that's going to be cd, I'm going to change into documents and to the file where it's stored. Okay, so we're in documents in Python now. So to run the program from the command line, it's Python, name of the program, restart.py. Okay, so we're going to run it now. Okay people, we couldn't run that because I didn't put in this. You've actually got to call the function first. So let's just save that there. Let's just close the program, and we're going to go over. We're going to cd into documents /Python. That's where my program is stored on the hard drive. Okay, so now we're in that directory, so we've got to run it. So you run Python, name of the program, okay, you can only run this program from within the command line. You can't run it from within your IDE or idle, so you have to go to the command line to do this. And remember, when you hit this, it'll take less than a minute to reboot. So if you hit it and it doesn't do anything straight away, wait, because it will take about a minute to do that. So here we go, let's hit enter. Okay, so we've got option 1 shutdown, option 2 restart, option 3 quit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for option 1, which is shutdown. So I'm going to hit this and I'll see you on the other side. There we go, you're about to be signed out. Okay. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you very much for that, and I'll post the source code for this on my GitHub account, so there's a link below so you can follow that for the full source code, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.